the rescue operations that is continuing in Chamoli. The death toll now rises to 7 in the avalanche. Rescue operations are going on. One missing person is still to be found. The Chief Minister of the state, Pushkar Singh Dhami, is reviewing the rescue operations. The Army, the IAF, the NDRF and the SDRF, all of them are involved in the rescue operations. Mi-17 helicopters are being used in the rescue operations. The visuals that you are seeing are coming in from Chamoli in the state of Uttarakhand. There was an avalanche, and in this avalanche, unfortunately, some people have lost their lives. So far, 7 people have lost their lives. Search operations are still continuing. 46 people have been rescued so far. Visuals on your screens are coming in from Uttarakhand. The Chief Minister, Pushkar Singh Dhami, at the moment is looking at the rescue operations. He's getting hourly update with regards to the rescue operation that is still undergoing. It's the Indian Army, the Indian Air Force, the NDRF, the SDRF, all of them are involved in the rescue operations. In fact, the Mi-17 helicopters are also being used in the rescue operations. This is an avalanche. There have been so far injured workers who have been rescued. 46 people have been rescued. One person is still missing. This is news which is coming in from the state of Uttarakhand now. This is an avalanche which took place close to 24 hours ago, and since then the rescue operation is underway. In this rescue operation so far 46 people have been rescued, and it's the Chief Minister of the state, Pushkar Singh Dhami, who's now looking at all the rescue operations that are taking place. In fact, 3 people are missing, and so far 7 people have lost their lives. In fact, not just Mi-17, the Cheetah chopters have also been deployed in this rescue mission. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens. My colleague Ankit Sharma is now joining me on the story. Ankit, so far, the unfortunate news is that some people are still missing and the death toll at the moment stands at 7. The Chief Minister, from what we understand, is personally making sure that he gets all the updates with regards to the rescue operation, which is still underway. Can you hear me, Ankit?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. Ankit, from what we understand, the Chief Minister of the state, Pushkar Singh Dhami, personally is looking at all the rescue which is being done. And from what we are understanding, the rescue operation is still underway.
Yes.
Some more people are still missing.
Yeah, as per the latest update, only one person is missing. 3 more bodies were recovered today, and the 46 people who were recovered earlier are undergoing treatment. 4 of them are critical, which out of 2, they were sent to AIIMS, and while others are still suffering from hypothermia. We spoke to the doctor, and he said that in avalanche-like terrain or condition, a person can only survive for 6 hours. If he's in a container or inside a shelter, then the survival rate can be increased, and we can expect that survival will be much higher. However, unfortunately, those 4 were missing, and they were also not found inside the container. And so it was expected that some bad news would be coming in, but the administration, everyone is hopeful that the one person who's missing should be recovered alive.
Right, thank you, Ankit, for giving us those details. As my colleague was also pointing out, so far one person is still missing. The rescue operations are underway. The Chief Minister is keeping a very close eye with regards to the rescue operation. Unfortunately, 7 people have lost their lives. Now, this was a very tragic news coming in from the state of Uttarakhand. There was an avalanche which occurred in Chamoli district in the state of Uttarakhand. Close to 55 BRO construction workers were buried under the snow. So far, 50 people have been rescued by the forces. Out of these 50 people who have been rescued, from what we understand at the moment, 7 have succumbed, and the avalanche was triggered by a glacier burst that took place at Mana village. The rescue operation is still undergoing. The remaining trapped workers are yet to be found. Close to 150 army troops, people from the ITBP, the NDRF, all of them are on the ground to assist the rescue operation. Footage from the site at the moment is showing the rescue teams are struggling to make sure that they somehow reach out all the people possible. It's the Chief Minister, Pushkar Singh Dhami, who's monitoring the situation personally very closely.
मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं कि जो तमाम घायल श्रमिक थे वो इस समय अस्पताल में यहाँ मौजूद हैं और उनसे बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं। किस समय हुआ था ये, आप क्या कर रहे थे? सुबह सो के उठे थे जब ये अवलांच आया?
सुबह सर 8 बजे हो गया था वो। जैसे ही हम लोग सो के उठे 5 मिनट बाद हुआ वो कांड। बहुत ही भयानक हुआ था वो। और इसमें कंटेनर का तो कोई पता ही नहीं कहाँ गया वो। और हम कम से कम 300 मीटर दूर जाके गिरे थे।
300 मीटर दूर?
हाँ, 300 मीटर दूर अलकनंदा नदी के पास।
तो जब ये हुआ तो कुछ आवाज वगैरह क्या कर रहे थे आप लोग? सुबह सो के उठे थे
तो 46 सो रहे थे सर उस टाइम। तो काफी तेज हवा आई, तो उसी टाइम उसी हवा गया अपने सारे कंटेनर को उड़ा के दे। उसके बाद कुछ होश नहीं है।
जब से इन्होंने निकाला उस समय फिर आपको लेकर आए, कैसा वो माहौल रहा, क्या मंजर रहा?
नहीं सर, हम वहाँ से खुद ही निकल गए थे। खुद ही जाके आर्मी के गेस्ट हाउस में चले गए थे। तो सुबह जब आर्मी आई तो आर्मी
तो ये जो बर्फ के साथ चट्टाने आई, इससे चोटें आई?
ये कंटेनर की चोटें थी जिसमें हम रहते थे।
कंटेनर घूम रहा था
जो रोल हुआ था कंटेनर, उसकी चोटें।
जब सुबह के टाइम में देखा तो 5 से 6 फीट बर्फ पड़ चुकी थी। तो जैसे यहाँ उठने वाले थे वहाँ से पहले की स्लाइड आ गया और जो हमारा कंटेनर था वो पा के ले गया नीचे।
जब आप निकल के आए तो कैसा लग रहा था? मतलब कि जैसे कि मौत के मुंह से आप बाहर आए हैं, उस समय क्या महसूस, क्या दिमाग में आपके चल रहा था?
क्या चलता है कुछ ऐसा पता था नहीं। तो जैसे आमों गिरे तो सर पे थोड़ा चोट थी, तो ऐसे ही जैसे तैसे हम निकल गए। बाकी आर्मी वालों ने निकाला हमको, फिर वो अपने कैंप में ले गए। वहाँ पे उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग पेंटिंग की, तब पट्टी अट्टी लगाई, तो फिर वहीं रहे। फिर कल सुबह जहाज के द्वारा यहाँ हमको शिफ्ट किया गया। यहाँ पे इलाज चल रहा है हमारा।
जब एवलांच आया तो इतना भयानक था कि एक विस्फोट के साथ और तेज हवा के साथ आया और कंटेनर हवा में उड़ते हुए नीचे आ गिरे। तो ये काफी भयानक, एक दर्दनाक एक याद इनके दिमाग में हमेशा जहन में रहेगी, जिसको ये कभी भुला नहीं सकते।
उत्तराखंड के चमोली जिले में जो माड़ा गांव के पास एक दुर्घटना ग्लेशियर हिमस्खलन हुआ था, उसमें जो लोग थे फंस गए थे, उनका बचाव अभियान चल रहा है और भारतीय सेना की जो आइबेक्स ब्रिगेड है उनकी टीम के द्वारा लगातार किया जा रहा है। तो अभी वहाँ पे सड़कें अवरुद्ध है, लेकिन इस पूरे ऑपरेशन में तकरीबन 50 लोगों को निकाल लिया गया है और जितने लोग रेस्क्यू किए गए थे उसमें से 4 लोग दुर्भाग्यवश उनका फेटल इंजरीज थी, तो 4 फेटेलिटीज उसमें रही हैं।
अब 4 लोग जो अभी मिसिंग हैं उनको आज खोजने के लिए जीपीआर जो हमारा ग्राउंड पेनिट्रेटिंग रडार है वो भेजा जा रहा है और साथ में थर्मल इमेजिंग कैमरा और विक्टिम लोकेटिंग कैमरा, ये सभी जो अत्याधुनिक हमारे उपकरण हैं इनकी मदद ली जा रही है। ये हमारा प्रयास है कि जो 4 लोग अभी नहीं मिल पाए उनको खोजा जाए और जल्दी से जल्दी जो है उनकी भी लोकेशन हमको